Here we are at Ireland's oldest surviving station, Blackrock station. Opened on December the 17th, 1834. And it's undergone a lot of changes since then. More notably, the extension of these platforms 20 years ago. And but a lot is in evidence from the original line. There's the seawall that goes down to past Booterstown, down to Marion Gates. And you can see a lot of cranes in the background there. A lot of construction work going on at the back of the Aviva there, and Dublin Port. And there's the iconic decommissioned chimneys of Poolbeg. First one was built in 1969. The second one was built in 1976. So as I said, it's the extended platform. It's very narrow here at the estate, but there's actually a different level of platforms here. You can actually see the original slabs of the platform just down here, and the gate that's been kind of cemented over. There used to be a gate that you could actually leave, very ornate gate. But the dark construction works, that was it's very unusual. That was cemented in. So these flagstones are the original level of the platform here. That's the wall of the sea baths there. They were taken out of use in the 80s, and due to health and safety, the famous platform was removed in 2012, and a lot of the infrastructure was removed. Now, just leaving this interior of the station here. We'll go outside and have a look at the exterior. The front. There's lovely colonnade pillars here. So yeah, this dates back to 1834. This building. So the station master would have lived here with his family back then. And well, it was revolutionary for the time when they built this railway. But they encountered a lot of problems just beyond the station, heading towards Dunleary, Kingstown as it was known then. They had to negotiate with Harcourt, Lees and Cloncurry, Lord Cloncurry, for the railway to be built through their lands. So to facilitate them was quite demanding. They had to build Harcourt Lees, Cloncurry Harbour. I'm always mixing up the two. And Harcourt Lees, this kind of ornate bridge, Tallionite towers that still exists. We're just coming up to it now in a minute. And a tunnel as well. I'll put in the relevant details later on. So again, this railing is quite old. I'm not a fan of this footbridge. It's a typical dart footbridge of no architectural merit. Horrible. So we just conclude our walk up here at the towers, Cloncurry Towers, yes, Cloncurry Towers. So he had the estate of Moretimo, which is now apartments. It was demolished in 1970, but Harcourt Lees estate. These are both Protestant landowners. Harcourt Lees estate still very much exists. So now you can see the towers here in the distance. And around is Harcourt Lees' harbour and slipway. A lot of work needs to be done to the summer house to restore it. Maybe eventually it will be restored. It's kind of fenced off. But Harcourt Lees and Lord Cloncurry were financially compensated, as well as these unusual buildings that were built. It's a shame it's not accessible to the public. It's CIE or Airno there would have replaced the middle span of the bridge. But it's kind of, the windows are blocked up, but you can see the ornate character of the building. It's a beautiful piece of limestone. So just to finish up, these were the bathing areas and the seawall here, but down there are the original bricks from the line, the 1830s line. You can see there's a 4.5 mile post. And let's just get down to this corner here. It's a long video, but it's worth it because it's an historical area for railways. Ireland's first ever railway, and I believe it's the world's first ever commuter line, which is quite a thing. Fortunately, there's a lot of graffiti along here as well, which destroys the beauty of the railway architecture. So we're just coming up to it now. The bridge, very close to it now, and you can see the ornate railway. And there was another, see the way the wall swings around there. There was actually another building there. I don't know when it was demolished. I must do some research into it. But now I'll just zoom in here. You can see that brick, those flagstones. They're what the railways went on. So that gives you an indication of how the railways went on, those sort of flagstones, and which predates the concrete sleepers or wooden sleepers, ballasts, etc. That's how it was. That's how the railway was done back then. So this is where Lord Cloncurry's house was, Moredimo, where those apartments are. So we'll just swing around, we'll look back. This is a beautiful Longford Terrace. The railway actually opened up Blackrock. It was like Bray, like most towns in Ireland before the railway came. These are small sort of fishing, innocuous sort of fishing villages, and the railway changed everything really. And as I said, we have the successful dart service for the last 40 years, and we have commuter trains going down to Wexford and across there. Used to have the drum trains here, but that's another story. Dr. Drum, who invented the precursor to the dart 90 years ago, run on electrical batteries, an extraordinary engineering feat. But the batteries became life expired. But I'll do another video on them someday. It's quite a story. And there's Hope there in the background. So I'll end it now. Nearly 9.5 minutes. Thank you for watching.